Safety laser scanner is primarily a presence sensing device, which means that it basically detects the presence of any humans around a certain vicinity around your machinery, and it triggers the machinery to shut down whenever a human enters that protection zone. Safety laser scanner works by projecting a bunch of laser lines, and it scans that laser lines over a particular area. Once a human is detected within that protection zone that you have programmed in, the safety laser scanner triggers the machinery to either work slowly with lesser speeds, or it can trigger it to shut it down completely. The SE2L safety laser scanner usually finds an application wherever human presence is considered dangerous in your industrial setup. So most common applications include operation around robots, cobots, AGVs, AMRs. It can even be considered as an effective replacement for safety light curtains as well. The safety laser scanner has 4 safety inputs, namely OSSD 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the signals that you can use to program in your safety zones and your warning zones around your machinery. So when a human triggers a warning zone, you can program the robot to work slowly, and when he enters into the absolute near protection zone, it can trigger it to shut down the robot completely. The area switching is a functionality on the SE2L, wherein the SE2L uses encoder inputs, and you can program in about 128 different patterns of areas. This is particularly useful when you're considering applications with AGVs and AMRs, where the protection areas and the warning areas can change patterns whenever the AGV has to turn left or right or has to go straight. The SE2L laser scanner conforms to the obvious industrial safety standards such as the ISO 13849-1 and the IEC 61508. This ensures the effectiveness when it comes to the safety applications of the SE2L. Additionally, the latest revision of the ISO 10218 that is set to release later this year actually makes the inclusion of a presence sensing device to be mandatory on all of your industrial setups. So the SE2L safety laser scanner works by emitting laser lines towards a specified predetermined area, and whenever the laser lines hit an object and they reflect back, the SE2L safety laser scanner analyzes the signal to determine the location of the human, and based on how close that human is to the robot or a cobot, it either shuts down completely or it slows down its operation. The SE2L laser scanner actually protects humans against the most common hazards such as collision with moving machinery, or whenever you want access to restricted zones, or whenever a human has to enter into an hazardous area, the SE2L can monitor whether or not the human can enter or not. The area coverage on the SE2L is actually very wide. It offers an area coverage of over 5 meters, and its laser line spans over 270 degrees, so that is the area coverage. This wide coverage of area actually ensures that the SE2L can monitor 2 different industrial robots at the same time as well. This is called dual monitoring. If 1 isn't enough, you can always connect 2. If 2 isn't still enough, you can connect 3. So the SE2L has a functionality called master slave, wherein 4 different laser scanners can be connected together as a single system. Additionally, you only have to program the master laser scanner and have the entire system operating as a single unit just through the control of the master laser scanner. Mutual interference is one of the most common problems that you come across with safety laser scanners in general. It is a situation where two laser lines coincide with each other and no data is picked up, and it gives rise to erroneous data. But when two or more SE2Ls are connected in a master-slave configuration, the master automatically synchronizes the slaves to alternate its scan cycles and scan duration to make sure that the laser lines never coincide. The SE2L actually connects to other safety devices very easily by the help of safety relays and safety controllers to ensure a complete safety system is achieved. Well, in addition to the master-slave mode and the dual protection mode, there are a few other functionalities of the SE2L that make it industry revolutionizing, such as the muting function, wherein the SE2L can work around water droplets or wooden shavings, basically anything that can hinder the data it picks up. There's the interlocking function, wherein the SE2L, whenever the SE2L detects a presence and it fails to save, you can choose whether or not it will automatically go back to operation after the human is removed from the area, or you can choose whether manual intervention is required. Potential interference or limitations with respect to a safety laser scanner in general include operation around ambient light sources, operation around reflective surfaces, or any changes to environmental conditions such as temperature or humidity.